Imagine waking up one morning and finding out that the sun is rising from the west instead of the east. Sounds strange, doesn't it? But let's delve into this peculiar thought. Right now, our home planet Earth spins like a top, rotating from west to east. It's a pretty steady twirl, taking approximately 24 hours to complete a full rotation. But what if, hypothetically speaking, it suddenly decided to take a spin in the opposite direction, from east to west? Imagine the sun greeting you good morning from the west and bidding you good night in the east. Picture the moon tracing a different path across the night sky. It's an intriguing scenario, one that toys with our understanding of the world as we know it. As odd as it seems, it's a fascinating concept to ponder upon. So what if the Earth did rotate in the opposite direction? To understand the implications, first, we need to grasp why the Earth rotates the way it does. Born from a swirling cloud of dust and gas about 4.5 billion years ago, our planet inherited a spin from this cosmic whirlpool. This motion was set in place by the conservation of angular momentum, a fundamental law of physics that keeps an object in motion until an external force acts upon it. In the case of Earth, gravity acts as the external force, keeping us firmly in our west to east rotation. This rotation, combined with our planet's tilt, gives us our predictable patterns of days, nights, and seasons. It's a delicate balance, an intricate cosmic dance that has been ongoing for billions of years. Now that we've grasped why our planet spins from west to east, it's time to delve into the hypothetical scenario of a reverse rotation. Scene script. Picture this. The Earth starts spinning in the opposite direction. What happens next? Well, the first thing we'd notice would be the shift in climate patterns. Our planet's rotation significantly influences our climate, and a reverse rotation would scramble these familiar patterns. The Sahara might transform into a lush green landscape, while Central Europe could find itself in the grip of a perpetual drought. Then, there's the wind. The direction of the Earth's rotation affects the path of trade winds, which blow from east to west in the tropics. A reverse rotation would cause these winds to shift, drastically altering weather patterns and possibly leading to more extreme weather events. Next, let's talk about the ocean currents. These massive flows of water help regulate the Earth's temperature by redistributing heat around the globe. A reverse rotation could disrupt this system, causing some areas to become unbearably hot while others might plunge into a deep freeze. But it's not just about the weather. The length of our day would also change. Currently, the Earth spins on its axis once every 24 hours. But if it were to spin in the other direction, this could either speed up or slow down, depending on various factors. A shorter day might mean less time for photosynthesis, impacting plant life and the food chain as we know it. On the other hand, a longer day could lead to more extreme temperature differences between day and night. The effects on human civilization would be profound. Changes in climate, weather patterns, and day length could disrupt agriculture, infrastructure, and even our sleep patterns. We'd have to adapt, innovate, and find new ways of living in this alternate version of Earth. But let's not forget about the ecosystems. They too would undergo significant changes as species struggle to adapt to these new conditions. Some might thrive while others could face extinction. As we can see, a reverse rotation isn't just a simple flip of the sunrise and sunset. It might lead to a world vastly different from the one we know. So, to answer our initial question, what if the Earth rotated in the opposite direction? Well, we've journeyed through understanding Earth's rotation and delved into the science behind it. We've also explored the sweeping changes that could occur if our planet decided to spin the other way. Turning back the hands of time, or rather the spin of the Earth, isn't as simple as it sounds. As we've discussed, this reversal could cause dramatic shifts in our climates, leading to arid deserts transforming into lush green landscapes and vice versa. The environment and all life on Earth, including us humans, would have to adapt to these radical changes or risk extinction. Even our perception of time, governed by the dance of the sun and the moon in the sky, could be altered in this mirror world. While it's an intriguing hypothetical scenario, the reality is we're fortunate that our Earth spins the way it does, and that's something to think about the next time you watch the sun rise in the east.